Guys, ang lamig, ang sarap mag-aaral. So, topic ngayon is systems of linear equations. So, we have the problem, find the solution of 3x plus 4y equal to and 2x plus 5y is equal to negative 1. So, here the question is asking to find a point where these two lines meet. Itong 3x plus 4y equals to, tsaka 2x plus 5y equals negative 1. And to do that, so first, let's write these two equations muna, no? And label them. So, this is equation 1 and equation 2. So to solve this, let's identify muna kung anong variable yung gusto natin ma-eliminate. So dito, gusto ko ma-eliminate yung x na variable para y na lang yung tira. So to do this, let's find the least common multiple of 3x and 2x, or yung coefficients ng x, which is 3 and 2. So we know na ang 3 and 2 may least common multiple na 6. So tapos nun, hanap tayo ng number na if multiplied by coefficient na to, magiging 6. So sa equation 1, 2, para maging 6 yung 3. Tapos sa equation 2 naman, kailangan mo siya multiply sa 3 para maging 6 ang coefficient ng x sa equation 2. So bakit natin kailangan gawin to? So watch and learn lang. So tapos mo na makita ang 2 and 3, multiply natin itong 2 sa whole equation na equation 1. So distribute natin yung 2 sa each term nitong equation 1. So 2 times 3x, 6x. 2 times 4y, 8y. And 2 times 2 is 4. So ganun din dito sa equation 2. So yan na sila. So, kailangan natin gawin para ma-isolate yung x is subtract natin yung equation 1 na to, tsaka yung equation 2. And notice nyo, since parehas silang coefficient, if i-minus nyo ang 6x minus 6x, cancel out na siya. So, notice nyo, y na lang yung natitira dito. So, 8y minus 15y, negative 7y. And 4 minus negative 3, magiging 7, kasi 4 minus negative 3. So, ma-cancel out ang dalawang negative sign. So, divide dito naman, divide both sides by negative 7, we have an answer of y is equal to negative 1. So, meron tayong value ni y. So, para naman sa x, let's substitute this negative 1 sa equation 1. So, yan. So, 4 times negative 1. So, negative 4. And transpose yung 4 sa kabila. So, 4 plus 2, 6. And divide both sides by 3. We have an answer of x. Our x value is equal to 2. So, based sa choices, ang x na daw ay 2, ang y naman is negative 1. So, letter A.